In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to your main dashboard. From here, head over to the left sidebar and click New Page. When the new page opens, give it the title Project Dashboard. Say it naturally as you type, Project Dashboard. This will be the page where all of your tab sections live, so choosing a clear name now makes the workspace easier to recognize later. Once the page is ready, click into the body of the page and type /tabs. That's slash, then tabs. As the slash command menu appears, choose tabs from the list. This inserts a tab block onto the page and gives you a simple way to separate content into clean sections without creating multiple pages. You'll see the first tab labeled Tab 1. Double-click that label and rename it to Overview. Type Overview slowly and clearly, then click outside the label to save it. This first tab works well as a general summary area, which is why Overview is a useful name here. Now click inside the body of the Overview tab. Type /heading 3 and select the heading option. For the heading text, enter Project Summary. Type Project Summary, then press Enter. Under that heading, add a short description of the project. Keep it brief and readable since this section is meant to give a quick snapshot. Next, click the plus icon to the right of your first tab to add a second tab. When the new tab appears, rename it to Key Dates. Type Key Dates, then click into the body of that tab. Add another heading using /heading 3 and this time, name it Milestones. Type Milestones and press Enter. Underneath, create a bulleted list with your upcoming deadlines. Add each item one at a time so the list is easy to scan and update later. Click the plus icon again to create a third tab. Rename this one Team Notes. Type Team Notes, then click into the tab Content area. Add a heading with /heading 3 and name it Meeting Notes. Type Meeting Notes and press Enter. Below that, add placeholder text for your team's action items. This gives you a dedicated section for follow-ups, reminders, and anything discussed during meetings. Now test everything by clicking through each tab label, Overview, Key Dates, and Team Notes. As you switch between them, make sure the correct content appears in each one, and that everything stays neatly organized. At this point, your tabs are working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, you can customize the tabs and their content as much as you need. Update the headings, refine the text, and shape the layout to match your workflow. When you're done, the page stays available in your current Notion account, ready to use anytime. Go ahead and try it now on your end. That's it, you've successfully created tabs in Notion. Congratulations!